Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I am going to be unboxing this BISSELL's carpet cleaner that I bought from Costco. And amazingly, this dog over here looks exactly one of my older ones here. Hi, Boo. Blue. Go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Where's your leash? Hi. Blue, do you want to unbox this video with me? Yes? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's unbox this video. Sorry. Let's unbox this carpet cleaner here. Okay, first things first, you can see here's a manual. Okay. All right, comes with this little brush. Nozzle clean out tool. Okay. Then you have another head piece. Okay. Then you have this piece here. Okay, this is the tank. This is where we're gonna put the solution. There's a little bag. Inside the bag, you can get these attachments here. Okay. This is the base. We're gonna keep the cleaner, I guess. I'm not sure what this is. We'll figure out in a while. Okay, I think this is just like for the measuring cup. Yeah. It's two solutions: Max Clean Protect and the Ped Pro, the Oxy one. Okay, and this is the main one. Right. It's quite heavy. Okay, and that's all. It's empty. Okay, let's see. I think we have to go through the manual. I mean, by looking at this one, it's pretty straightforward. This thing will go in here, right? Okay. This comes with a little screw here. Let's take it out. Then we're gonna, oh, I think I have to take this out. I think, maybe? Let's leave it out. Okay, you just have to insert this handle here. Make sure this is at the back. Simple as that. Just slightly. Yeah. You heard that click? That's what you're gonna do, and it's tightened now. Okay. The water tank. There you go. Just the water on the side. not sure where to put the screw here. Okay, so if you remember the screw that I showed you guys earlier that came with the handle, this handle here, this handle, yeah, I'm going back and forth here, but I want to show you this handle I was talking about. It came attached with that one, right? So we have this attachment here, and as you can see, here's like step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just follow these steps. The first step is to place the handle until you hear that click, and then on the bottom one, I mean, it's already attached, but this part here, yeah, just make sure it's clicked. And then the third step is when we're gonna put the screw and then this thing right behind that the vacuum, right? So I'm gonna show you real quick. It's very easy. You just have to make sure that just take this off. Okay, so before I start cleaning, I'm gonna show you. There's a little port here. You can see um, right there. That's for the little attachments, if I'm not wrong. So this one here, no, sorry, not this one. My bad. This one right here. This should go inside here. There's it. You hear that little click. And to release, I think you just have to press it and release. And that's about it. So you just click it. And then for the attachments, we have 2 attachments. Just as simple as that. Just release. To release, you just press the little button here. Oops. Okay. And this should be the one we're spraying the water. Yep. Same thing for this. Okay. This looks very unique to me. I'm not sure how would I use this, but I will use it. Yeah. Okay. So for the water and the solution, you can see for express cleaning, water, and then the formula, the lines are here. And yeah, for max deep clean, water and formula, and then for easy fill, water and formula. It's pretty straightforward. So that's what I'm going to do. I need to clean, I think I'm going to start with like 1 room today. Let's see if I'm going to finish that. If not, I mean, if yes, then I'm going to finish like 3 rooms today. I have like 3 rooms to clean, and I'm very excited about this product here. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my water here up until this line, as you can see. I mean, it's shaking a little bit. Sorry. So I have my water filled out up until the line. So I am going with this Max Clean Protect because my dog just decided to make a mess. He just vomited a little bit this morning when I woke up, and I realized that it was the right time. I just had this product delivered yesterday, and then he made a good choice to make a mess, and now I have to clean that, and it's a very bad stain. So let's see if this thing works or not. So I'm going to be mixing now the formula until here, and yep, let's see if it works or not. Okay, I'm just gonna do an express clean here. It's extremely easy to transport to your room because it has wheels here. So yeah, it's you don't have to carry or anything. You just have to roll it. All right, let's go. Okay, as you can see here, when I woke up this morning, he vomited uh, on my bed, on the floors, 2 spots. You can see actually like multiple spots, but these were the bad ones. These two, I picked up the debris and stuff like that, you know, like the particles, the food particles. But I left it like that. It's been like, I will say 6 to 7 hours now. I don't know what time he vomited, but so I wanted to test this product and then it was like the perfect timing. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but anyways, let's go ahead and try this out and see if this thing really works or not. Okay, let's get started with this first. Just have to hit this thing here and then it bends like that, right? And this is my first time using this thing as well. And then as soon as, like you showed that here, just bends, and then as soon as you're do that, there's a little click and then it locks automatically. So do that. Okay, so there's a red button here, right here. See, just have to press it. All right, we'll turn this thing on. Okay, as you can see, you can barely see the stain, but I still see a little bit of stain over there. I mean, it's not completely gone, but I just didn't want to waste that, detergent. Now I'm gonna try with the handle one, the wand one, for that stain, just to see how well it works with the the rollers versus the handle one, right? Let's see. I think both of them did a pretty good job here. I think this went a little, I don't know, I'm sure. I mean, maybe the force, but I'll just let it sit for like some time. And yeah, but I think I do have other spots as well. Let's go ahead and clean those spots. And that's another spot where he made a mess. Let's clean that spot. Okay, that's done. I think that did a pretty good job. And that's the last one. Yeah, so that was my spot cleaning here. I do have the green mini BISSELL cleaner as well, but I thought of getting this one because I had to clean my room carpets, and which I'm going to do in the next video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll make another video for just cleaning the carpet, which doesn't have that much of stain, but I do own two pets. So yeah, I'm very excited to clean that. I have never done a carpet cleaning before. So yeah, all right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye. Can you guys please let me know if he looks exactly like the dog on the cover? Blue, you wanna go for a walk?